Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 3 Hand-on Exercise 1 Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So we move to the question number 1. So select the range A4 to F11, use the insert tab, create the cluster column chart. So type the A4 to F11 and press enter, select the range and use the insert tab, create the cluster column chart. So go to the insert tabs and go to the chart groups and click the recommended charts and create the cluster column chart and click OK. Next is cut the selected chart and paste in cell A15. So right click and click the cut the chart and paste the chart in cell A15 and press enter. Next is adjust the height of column charts to 3.5 inch and width to 6.3 inches. Close any open task pane if necessary. So select the charts and go to the format tabs and height is 3.5 and width is 6.3 and press enter. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is select the range A4 to A11. So type the range A4 to A11 and press enter and E4 to F11 and use the recommended chart feature to create the stack bar charts. So E4 to F11, select the range and next is use the recommended chart feature to create the stack bar chart. So go to the insert tabs and go to the charts groups and click the recommended charts and chart feature to create the stack bar charts and click the stack bar charts and click OK. Next is change the chart from a stack bar to default cluster bar charts type. So select the charts and go to the change the chart types and next is default the cluster bar charts. Click the cluster bar charts and click OK. Next is move the selected bar charts to the chart sheet name is 2024 to 2025. Right click and click the move charts and name sheet name is to 2024 2025 and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is display the 2025 data worksheets. So click the 2025 data worksheet on the 2025 data worksheet and select the range A4 to B10 and use the quick analysis to create the default pie charts. So type the range A4 to B10 and press enter. So select the range and select the range A4 to B10 and use the quick analysis to create the default pie chart and click the charts and click the pie charts. And next is move the chart to chart sheet name is 2025 pie charts. Right clicks and click the move charts and new chart sheet name is 2025 pie charts and click OK. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is display the attendance data worksheet. So click the attendance data worksheets and next is on the attendance data worksheet select the range A4 to A11 F4 to G11 and use the insert tab. Create the cluster column combo charts line with the secondary axis. Display the attendance data worksheet and select the ranges A4 to A11. Press enter and next is F4 to G11. F4 to F4 to G11. F4 to G11 and use the insert tabs. So go to the insert tab and create the cluster column combo chart line on the secondary axis. Click the recommended charts. Select the range A4 to A11. Press enter and next is F4 to G11. F4 to G11 and use the insert tabs. So go to the insert tabs and create the cluster column combo charts on the line on the secondary axis. The recommended charts and click the all charts is the click the combo charts and cluster column with the line cluster column with the line on the secondary axis and click OK. Next is move the chart sheet name is 2025 combo charts. Right clicks and click the move charts and new sheet name is 2025 combo chart and click OK. So question number 4 is complete. So assignment is done and please click OK to submit the assignment and click OK and check the scores. So score is Excel chapter 3 hand on exercise 1 simulation exam is 100%. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grades your assignment and your exam.